Why Cougar? I absolutely love this question. For more than 3 decades now, Cougar's been one of the most iconic brands in the RV industry. We've built over 200,000 fifth wheels and travel trailers. We specialize that second home comfort seeker, those campers that want to take the comforts of their home out on the road with them. Hi, I'm Scott Taylor, product manager for the Cougar division here at Keystone RV. Today I'm joined with the rest of the Cougar sales team, and we're going to answer that why Cougar question. And we're excited and we're going to jump right into it. What do you say, guys?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go.
So first of all, it's longevity of the product. It's reliability, and it's also the durability of the product as well.
For the longevity, we're protecting your coach as long as possible. We have our towing with confidence package. I mean, you've got an upgraded pin box with a pivoting head and a shock absorber. We've got our road armor suspension, which is really going to greatly reduce that road shock when you're traveling down the road. On our full-size Cougars, we've got H-rated all-steel tires. Last year, we introduced our ABS brakes, just something that is still, to this point, really unheard of in the RV industry. But then that leads to all that longevity and durability you're talking about.
It does, and ABS brakes is an added feature, and then the travel trailers now get road armor suspension. So we just keep building upon greatness, really.
Yeah.
Is that what we're doing,
Absolutely.
right?
Yeah.
Well, to me, that means versatility. With versatility within our lineup, we offer everything from a 25-foot travel trailer all the way up to the largest 40-foot fifth wheel. We can give you a couples coach. We can give you a bunkhouse. We can even offer you full body paint, which our competitors currently aren't doing. At the end of the day, Cougar gives you all the chances to get you and your family inside of a trailer that fits your needs, your traveling, and everything that your family needs in between.
Most manufacturers just buy from vendors. They rely on vendors to come out with new innovative things. At Keystone, we don't do that. We use our vendors, but we also take our innovation lab, which is more advanced than what anyone else has in our industry, and we do an incredible amount of testing. It's also led us to a ton of innovations. We actually have a brand new innovation that we are just coming out with for 2025 model year called Hypercore. There is no more wood in your sidewalls. We've actually taken wood out of the sidewalls. We did it previously with Hyperdeck for our floor. Now we have composite sidewalls. Patents. On a Cougar, you literally have 5 to 6 patents on every Cougar. Hyperdeck floor, Blade AC, the Gigi Box, Key TV, the windshield, hitch vision, max turn frame. These are all patented features that our innovation lab and our engineers have figured out better ways to do things instead of relying on the vendors.
Well, what's great about the Cougar brand is we also have production out west to focus on the needs for folks that camp out that direction. Typically, you get more folks that are likely to go off the grid, where they need advanced solar packages. We were really the pioneers of our Solar Flex system. Sure, there were guys out there that were doing solar back in the day, but really what it was trickle chargers. We've really advanced that system with our Solar Flex packages.
That's right. Along with floor plans and content, we also have a phenomenal support team. Our service, warranty, parts department is second to none. It's a cornerstone of our business and key to our success. The Cougar community, I was just fortunate enough to be a part of this past week. We had our Cougar Rally between the fifth wheels, travel trailers, over 250 campers on display out there. We got to talk with customers all across the entire country. We got to hear their experiences from buying all the way to camping. One theme that I saw throughout the entire rally, there's a theme of passion. I think Cougar brings a passion that no other brand can match at this point in time. There's a community of involvement, customers that are there to help support each other, and it all relies on a single word of passion.
We want you to be part of our Cougar family, and that's from your first purchase to your last purchase. As professional campers and professional grade, we can offer you everything from towing with confidence to everything you could possibly imagine. And we want you to stay in our Cougar family from your first purchase to your last purchase.
Guys, I mean, we crushed it again.
We've gotten pretty good at this.
We're probably going to reflect on that a little later, if you know what I mean. But by the way, that thing's sexy.
Cougars are hot.
Well, thanks for watching our video. White Cougar, well, now you know. Come join our family. Boom. Good.